Hello, doctor. We are going to move on to the next episode in chemistry, and the chapter is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Let's jump into it. Quite an important chapter. You can expect some problems in this in 2023 exam. First question, the bond order of N2 molecule is A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, and option 4 is 4. Moving to the second question. Hybridization of phosphorus in PCl5 is option A, sp2, option B, sp3, option C, sp3d, option 4, sp3d d2. Third question. The bond order of 1.5 is shown by option A, O2 plus, option B, O2 minus, option C, O2 power of 2 minus, option D, O2. The fourth question in chemical bonding and molecular structure. Which of the following pair of ions are isoelectronic and isostructural? A, CO2 to the power of 2 minus, SO3 to the power of 2 minus, option B, Cl03 to the power of 2 minus, CO3 to the power of 2 minus, option C, SO3 to the power of 2 minus, NO3 minus, option D, ClO3 minus, SO3 to the power of 2 minus. Moving to the fifth question, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Fifth question, the correct geometry and hybridization of XeF4 are option A, octahedral, sp to the power of 3, d to the power of 2, option B, trinomial bipyramidal, sp to the power of 3, d to the power of 2, option C, planar triangle, sp to the power of 3, d to the power of 3, option D, square planar, sp to the power of 3, d to the power of 2. Moving to the sixth question, non-zero dipole moment is shown by option A, CO2, that is carbon dioxide, option B, P dichlorobenzene, option C, carbon tetrachloride, option D, water. Next, the last question is the bond order of CO3 to the power of 2 minus is option A 1, option 2 is 2, option 3, option 4 is 1.33. So these are the 7 questions for today. Answers will be given tomorrow. Please work out before you get the answers and check your answers in either live session or in the recorded session. All the best. Have a nice Sunday. You can become a doctor.